I have been talking about Gujarat becoming a major player in the transport industry connected with land, water and sky. We have Bombardier manufacturing metro coaches and other units manufacturing railway coaches. We have Nano and General Motors in the automobile sector. We are emerging as a shipbuilding and ship repairing hub. This is reflected in the MOU that were signed. What is more important is that about 12,000 crores have been promised in the civil aviation sector. First time in the state, 12,000 crore rupees MOU signed for the civil aviation sector. And one of the proposals to make Ahmedabad a global cargo hub like Hong Kong. Friends, in our country, we don't have a cargo hub. Anywhere in India, we don't have a cargo hub. First time in India, the initiative taken by the Gujarat and in Ahmedabad, we are going to start a hub for the cargo, and in the aim is we must have a hub of the cargo as good as Hong Kong. So this is the new avenue where we are entering. In short, I can say that Gujarat will be international hub for all transport-related manufacturing activity and services. Another interesting development in the investment which is coming into education, health sector. Friends, when I took charge in this my third term as a chief minister, in my first press conference I said that as far as investment is concerned, it's autopilot. I will focus only on Human Development Index. And in these 5 years, I have fully dedicated myself for the Human Development Index. And in this summit, I can see how my dream is taking shape and how people are coming forward to fulfill it. And that's why I said the education and health sector. 33 new engineering colleges are coming up, and in summit the MOU has been signed. More than 40 polytechnic colleges are coming up. This will increase a technical manpower available to my state. This is a quantum jump. This is a quantum jump. By the time those who have signed the MOUs, I would like to say, by the time your promised investment takes shape, we will be in position to provide you the required quality manpower. This is what the advanced planning we are doing. This is the commitment which the government makes. New huge investments are coming in medical education and hospital facilities. This will facilitate our Human Development Index. Quality of human life is ultimate goal of any government. Gujarat always keeps a larger picture in the mind. What is most interesting is that lot of knowledge centers, universities are coming. There are some foreign universities also. I expect world-class higher education facilities in Gujarat. Friends, here we have heard about the investment in the industry. But when I am narrating this all type of investment, with confidence, I would like to say, friends, we invest in people. we invest in people. मित्रों, चीन में एक कहावत है. चीन की कहावत ये कहती है कि जो 1 साल का सोचता है वो अनाज बोता है, जो 10 साल का सोचता है वो फल के पेड़ बोता है, लेकिन जो जनरेशन का सोचता है वो इंसान को बोता है. मित्रों, ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात मैं कर रहा था, जो एजुकेशन को हो, नॉलेज सेंटर हो, द वर्ल्ड क्लास यूनिवर्सिटीज हो, क्वालिटी ऑफ द हेल्थ केयर हो, ये सारी चीजें, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट इन पीपल है. फ्रेंड्स, 87,000 crores investment in port sector, 21,000 crore in road sector, 3 lakh crore in power sector. These are infrastructure related activity. And हमारे गुजराती में पुरानी कहावत थी, पैसों पैसा ने खींचे. मित्रों, आज के युग में कहावत बदल गई है. रुपयों रुपया ने खींचे वो कहावत नहीं है. अब कहावत है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन्वेस्टमेंट को आकर्षित करता है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट की गारंटी लेकर के आता है. और इसलिए इस समिट में अधिकतम इन्वेस्टमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में आ रहा है. और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वो ताकत होती है कि अगर आप 10 रुपया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में लगाते हो तो 400 रुपया अपने आप डेवलपमेंट में आता है. ये सिंपल अरिथमेटिक है जो दुनिया ने माना हुआ है. आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि करोड़ ऑफ रुपीज जब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में आते हैं तब उसका परिणाम क्या होगा, इसका आप अंदाज लगा सकते हैं. Friends, when this Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor is coming up, the special investment regions are coming up, and because of this reason, there are a lot of interest in the logistic parts in this summit. In past, we were not concerned about the logistic support activity. It's a new avenue we are opening, and there is a huge scope for the logistic support centers, and there is a new community it is coming up for this particularly specialized logistics support activity, and I'm sure that Gujarat will be the beneficiary. All these things will make your industry globally competitive. It will make Gujarat a global manufacturing hub. It is a public-private partnership initiative. It will create more jobs and revive the economy very fast. I am also happy to note that in this time of financial crisis, chairmen of various banks and financial institutions have announced package of credit facility, especially for SMEs. For SME sector, the first time in the summit, we took the initiative. We called the financial institutions and we had a MOU that financial institution must take the responsibility for the development of the SMEs, and they must pipe the money for the SMEs, and they have promised that 61,000 crore rupees will be piped for the SME sector by the financial institutions, by the different banks in Gujarat. This will give a numerous strength to our SME sector, and this summit specially was focused for the SMEs. This will be the more beneficiary for this SME sector.